Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the multiple inheritance in Python. So what exactly is multiple inheritance? In the last video, we have discussed about the inheritance in detail in Python classes. So multiple inheritance in Python is a feature that allows a child class to inherit attributes and methods from more than one parent class. Okay. So basically, this is inheritance with multiple parent classes. Okay, so how we can do that? It is quite simple. First of all, let's create a class. Let's do flyer. Okay, and here def init double underscore, here self, and let's do name, and self dot name equals to name. All right, now what we can do here, we can add basically a method here, deploy, that will take self, and then it will not take anything more. Okay, and here we can do return f string. Let's do self dot name flies or flying high in the sky. Okay, all right, now let's define another class which is swimmer. Okay, so class swimmer. All right, here we will have the same thing as before, so let's do that. Okay, and here instead of fly method we will have the swim method. Okay, all right, def swim, that will take self, and here what we'll do, we will return the f string. Okay, and let's do self dot name is swimming good in the pond. Okay, all right, so now we are having two classes here, right? So one is flyer and another is swimmer. So what flies and swims? A duck. Okay, so let's create a class of duck, class duck, and here it can basically extend or inherit from the flyer as well. So flyer. All right, and then what we can do here, we can just add a pass currently right now, and here we are not using the multiple inheritance yet. Okay, so but here what we can do, we can do something like, so let's do Captain Cook is a duck. Okay, so duck, and here we have to pass a name, so Captain Cook. Okay, all right, so let me just capitalize this one and this one. All right, so we are having this duck here. Okay, the duck object, and here if I just print right now Captain Cook dot, as you can see we are having the name and the fly method. Why is that? Because we are extending from the flyer class. Okay, so we can do fly. Okay, here, and now run the program. We are getting Captain Cook flying high in the sky. Okay, awesome, so this is quite good. Okay, all right, now how we can use the multiple inheritance here. So duck will fly, also duck can swim as well, right? So what we will do, we will just add a comma here, and then we will pass another class here, so swimmer. Okay, all right, so in that way what is happening currently right now, we are having this flyer class, we are having the swimmer class, and our child class which is duck is extending or inheriting from the flyer class as well as from the swimmer class. Okay, so now if I just print right now Captain Cook dot, as you can see we are having the swim as well, so swim. Okay, all right, Now if I just run the program, we are getting Captain Cook is flying high in the sky, Captain Cook is swimming good in the pond. Okay, awesome. So as you can see, we are here inheriting from two different classes. Okay, and in case if you are wondering, yes, we can add our own init method as well, and here we can call the both of the like the super classes here. So what we can do something like this. So def double underscore init double underscore self, and then we will have the name, and here we can call the super dot double underscore init, and we can pass the name here. Okay, we don't have to pass the self. All right, so now if I run the program, we are getting Captain Cook is flying high in the sky, Captain Cook is swimming good in the pond. Okay, awesome. So here we are basically using the multiple inheritance here. Okay, now there is something to point out here. So first of all, what I'll do, I'll go here inside of this flyer class and create a method def greet, and here it will take the self, return, and then do the if string hello from. Okay, so hello from flyer and self dot name. Okay, all right, so hello from flyer. Okay, all right, now I will just copy this one and paste the same method here. Okay, have to indent that properly, and here it will be not flyer, it will be swimmer. Okay, all right, so we are having two different greet methods. Okay, inside of the flyer we are having hello from flyer self.name, and here we are having hello from swimmer self.name. So now what if I call this greet method right now? So if I just do print Captain Cook dot greet, so what do you think, which method will run? Okay, which print statement we will get? Will it be the flyer or the swimmer one? Okay, because both of them has the same method, which is greet, right? And here we are extending from flyer and swimmer. So let's run the program right now. As you can see, we are getting hello from flyer Captain Cook. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting the flyer message here. Why is that? So we will discuss about this particular behavior of like multiple inheritance in the next video, when we will be discussing about the method resolution order, or the in short MRO. But currently right now, just to keep in check, because we are passing flyer at first. So in case if I just cut it out from here and paste it down here. Okay, now if I run the program, so as you can see, we are getting hello from swimmer Captain Cook. Okay, so this order matters. Okay, all right, so what I'll do, I'll just cut it out from here and paste it down here. Okay, all right, but in the next video we will discuss about the method resolution order, and there it will be a little bit more clear why exactly it is happening. Okay, awesome. So here in this video we have learned about the multiple inheritance in Python. Okay,